Hope you're having less fun than I am, or did have. Yeah, I'm not real dirty, not as dirty as I was. This is just cleaning up. I get that dirty just cleaning up. Yeah, I'll tell you what I was done. An '04 Ford Escape, got the V6 in it. Alternator. It was, the lights that go dim, kick up, go dim, dash lights are doing that too. There was no, battery light or anything like that on the dash. Everything was staying within, well, battery voltage roughly. And up to about 13.8. But it just kept fluctuating a lot between there. And it's like, well, it's an alternator. So, make a long story short, to get kind of right to it, you got to pull the drive shaft out the front axle on the left side. You got to pull all that out. And then you have to undo the motor mounts to raise the engine up high enough to get out of this damn little hole like that out the side. After you take the tire off and all the inner, splash guards and stuff. Yeah. Unbelievable. I bet those Ford engineers got paid well to do that. Getting it out was a pain in the butt. Putting it in was a pain in the butt. I mean, I'm just talking about the alternator. Taking the stuff apart and that wasn't anything. That was the easy part, damn flies. But that was the easy part, taking things apart. It was getting the alternator out and then back in. But yeah, you literally had to take the motor mounts out, the bolts out of the motor mounts so you could raise the motor up high enough and you still wasn't, it just didn't fall out. You had to maneuver it out and back in. Altogether, it probably took me 3.5 hours, maybe 4 hours to do that. It's like unbelievable. I mean, I'm sure there's a lot of horror stories like that on other things, but why would they do that? I mean, it's on the bottom part of the motor, unreal. So anyways, I'd figure I'd get on there and tell you that. I mean, I'm sure there's probably guys that read up on that stuff or watch a YouTube video. If somebody's good, though, I didn't video it because, my internet out here is slow. Heck, to download a 3-minute video takes about 2 hours. Yeah, that's hey man, that's cooking too. That's really moving. So, imagine if it was a three and a half condensed down, make it run like, 1,000 frames per second or something. And even then, it would have turned into, I don't know, half hour, 40-minute video, and it would have taken me, I don't know, a week to download. So, I figured I'd just get in here and tell you about it. But, yeah, I couldn't believe it. And whoever worked on it before put in some mounts, well, the bottom mount, main one, upside down. Didn't put that in right. A couple things they didn't do right. I mean, they're corrected now. But it was like, man, because it had a reman alternator in it. So, changed the serpentine belt out when I did it. Made sure everything was moving smooth and clean and everything was. Even the alternator was fine. There's no bearing rattle or anything wrong with that. It's just obviously the regulator brushes. I mean, something inside there was acting up. So the grounds were all good and clean. So anyways, figured I'd share that with you. You folks have a good one. Enjoy your day and night. Just enjoy your life.